Hi everyone. Okay, I received today my Yeti microphone that was recommended by Kyle and Mike Curtis from Wealthy Affiliate. And so I purchased this. It's supposed to be really good quality for using to record YouTube videos and such, and that's what I want to do. So we're going to go ahead here and open it up. Here, Melissa Jean, can you rip plastic off the top? Here, you grab it up here. And we got to still be on camera, see? Okay, here, go ahead. Keep pulling. Go ahead and pull. Okay, now we got some more plastic we got to cut off. Get my scissors here again. Now I'm going to get this here. I'm going to have you pull it off. But just wait. Okay, Mr. Jean, if you can pull that off for me, please. There you go. Oh, we got some paperwork here. Logitech for creators, Blue Yeti, premium multi-pattern USB microphone with blue voice. This should be a silver color. Set that right there for now. What was the other thing with it? I got that there. And oh, that's the receipt. I paid $100 for this. Okay, put that there. And again, so here we are. Whoop, turn it so we don't get the... Okay, now we're going to open this up. It's supposed to be fairly easy to set up. Mrs. Jean, I'm going to go ahead and pull that off. All right. Here we are again. As you can see what it looks like on the box here. Okay, we're going to go ahead and open up the box. Figure out what the best way is for that. Interesting. Let's just say they're not making it too easy to figure this out. Well, it's just a box. We're not worried about ruining the box. Garbage. Okay, so you see it's in styrofoam there. Look out, Mr. Jean. Okay, they're going to see you like that. Okay. Set the box over here. Whoa. Okay, we get here. We got this. We got instructions and a warranty card. Take this part off. Oh, wow. Take that part off. Look at that. So we'll get this out of the bag here. I'm sure the microphone actually flips over. There's the bag. Yeah, see, this is going to come up like this. Wow. What's this over here? Whoop. Maybe you don't want to. There, more. Oh, it is called Blue, even though I thought that referred more to the color, but it's still called Blue, so it is a Blue Yeti microphone, as you can see. And we'll go ahead and go through the instructions and get it hooked up to my computer here, and we'll go from there and probably add to the video at that time. Thanks. Have a great day. Here, Mr. Jean, you can come over. Here, Mr. Jean. Here, you can come over. Here, you can come over and. Whoops, darn it. Here, you can come over. She's ready for the occasion. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay, there you go.
I need these, Dad. I need these.
Yeah, now we'll stop this.